Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unfollow a group you've joined on Facebook on your PC with the new update. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head over to the left side of your newsfeed and click on the Groups tab. Next, select your groups to see a list of all the groups you're a part of. Find the specific group you want to unfollow and click on View Group. Now, you'll see an option to Joined at the top of the group page. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option to Unfollow Group. Click on this to stop seeing posts from this group in your newsfeed. And that's it. You've successfully unfollowed a group on Facebook using your PC. Remember, you can always rejoin the group at any time if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.